Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to create a storybook using Canva. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser right here. And once we open our browser, on the search bar, just open canva.com or just type it on your search bar, or you can just use the app of Canva. And once we are now on the website, this is what it will look like. So make sure that you are logged in into your account. So I'm currently logged into my account. And then the next thing that we need to do is to click create a design that is located on the top left corner. So click that. And then after that, just choose this Instagram post right here, which is square, which is 1080 by 1080 px. Then after that, you will be redirected to another tab, which is right here. So this is the Canva of our book right here. So the first thing that we need to do is to go on another tab and then search for ChatGPT. And then after that, on the text box, just type kids. And then after that, let's wait for this to prompt. And then once it is done, we are going to copy this one right here. So for the page one, this is what it will look like. So just do this and then paste this one right here and then just edit it the way you want it to. And then let's add some designs. And then let's add another page. So do the same thing. Copy the page 2 and then just do it all over again until you're done. And then once you're done designing and then putting all of the content, the next thing that we need to do is to click share right here. And then after that, go here and click see all. And then just scroll down until you see this simple booklet flip. So click this one and then click open. And then after that, once you click it, you will now be able to see it on simple booklet flip. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.